Today is Sunday? No. Today is Tuesday? No. Today is Friday? No. Today is Monday. What is our 7 days? Everyone show me your 7 fingers. Habiba, please show me your 7 fingers like this. Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is tall, tall, tall. This is short, short, short. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. Yay! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This apple. Good job, Habiba. Now we have a ball. Mohsin, what we have? Ball. Now we have a cat. Cat. Good job. Miraj, what is this? Elephant. Now we have a fan. Fan. Anabia, we have a fan. Fan.
Anaya, which letter is this? A. A for apple. Okay, let's do math.